Saving with Shay. I'm here from my midweek. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure that you hit the like button and support your girl. So I almost didn't do a video today, but I did want to share some with y'all. I only have maybe 6 or 7 deals to share. I'm gonna try to start sharing just the new deals because I know that with Ibotta, well, a lot of the apps, the deals do get repetitive because we do the same deals over and over, especially if they're good deals. So I'm gonna see if I can manage to do just like the new deals, or at least just the deals that I'm doing, and we'll have other deals in the Google Doc just so that the video is a little shorter. Now as far as my weekend, I think I need 15 for 5. We have the larger bonus as well, for which neither I expect to hit. I haven't been hitting my bonuses for like the last maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so. The deals, yeah, we're still in a drought, y'all. We're still in a drought. We did have a new offer that popped up on Flavor Wiki for Pringles, so I will be grabbing that today as well. Now, I did put a post up on my community tab this morning about the daily drops on Ibotta. Is it called daily drops? Yeah, daily cash drop, right? Is a giveaway on Ibotta, and I believe it's gonna run all the way up until November, where you can submit to win between $5 and $20 every 24 hours. And so my best deals, she shared this a couple videos ago at least, and I'm barely getting around to doing it. I did it this morning. Now you want to make sure that you have the Coca-Cola offer clipped in your app. I want to say you can click the banner at the very top to get to that offer if you don't see it under like beverages in any of the stores. And then I'll have a link in the description. Click the link. It's gonna ask you for your email address. You want to use the same one that's associated with your Ibotta account. You check 2 boxes, click that you're not a robot, and then you enter. It automatically tells you if you win or not. And so when I went back into my app, I went to my ledger, my activity ledger, and it showed there that I won $20, y'all. So I wanted to give a big shout out, because if she hadn't mentioned it, like, I've seen it on here, but I didn't know exactly how to do it, because it does say no purchase necessary. And so the link below is for that. I just have the link saved on my phone, and then every day, same time, I'm gonna click and see if I can win more. But to win $20 the first time is pretty awesome. And so definitely don't forget to do that, because that's really helping me today. Like, I'm literally starting off with $20 in my pocket already. And so yes, with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. I'll probably do the final breakdown will probably be in the basket, because I'm not gonna get a lot of stuff. And so with that being said, I hope you had a chance to like this video. If you didn't, definitely hit that like button, and I'll see you guys at Walmart. Alright, y'all, so the first deal is on the Mighty Sots. We went over this in our last video. I'm only going to re-mention it because there's an offer on Shopkick. And so for this, you want to grab 2 of them priced at $3.98. That's going to bring that total to $7.96. You get back 3 for buying 2 on EasyBucks, $2 on Checkout 51, and then 240 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.48. Brings them down to $1 a piece. Now, with me not using Shopkick, it would bring them down to about $1.48 each, which is still not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Pringles. We did get an offer on Flavor Wiki for it. I could swear last time I was here, these were $1.50, but now they're back up to $2. So grabbing one at $2, you get back $3 on Flavor Wiki. This survey, I did one already, doesn't require a video, and yeah, so it'll make it $1 moneymaker. So if you don't have the offer on yours, I'll have a link for you in the description and see if it pops up for you then. So I'm going to finally be doing the Jarritos. I think that's what you guys said is pronounced. These are a rollback for 94 cents. For this, you want to grab 4 of them. It's an aisles, and it's a Westock offer. Westock is buy 2, get 2 free. Aisles is buy 1, get 1 free. So you buy 4, get 3 free. We'll pay 94 cents for 4 of them, or only 23 cents each. All right. So a lot of y'all was saying, no, let's keep the stir.
Let's keep the stir. It's easy to say when they have it in your area. They don't have it in my area. So of course I must say, can we get a pass? Um, and so that popped back up. It's a free offer for Ibotta. Now the offer for the ocean spray, I got super, super excited real quick, but then was like, it's a buy one, get one free now. I guess they figured we've been giving to y'all for free for like the last 2, 3 weeks. Are you ready to pay for them? No. So if you want to grab it, you grab two of them at like 129 each, which I guess is not bad if it's something that you kind of grown to like now because you've gotten it free so many times. Me, I'm not trying to pay for it, but I get it if it's free. Next deal is on the My Doll. I did see My Best Deals post this deal a while ago. I think this is the one that she got. It's the 24 count. It's priced at $637, getting back 2 on Checkout 51, 2 on Easy Bucks. I don't think this one works for Ibotta, and then a total of $4.20 in kicks on Shopkick would make it $1.83 money. Now, if you wanted to grab this one here, it's priced at $7.87. Then you could submit it for the Ibotta offer. So you get back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Checkout 51, 2 on Easy Bucks, and a total of $4.20 on Shopkick would make that a $2.33 moneymaker. So definitely have options. Right, so this next deal is on the Claritin. One of you guys mentioned this deal in my comments. And so we're going to be grabbing it. It's priced at $12.97. This is the 4-ounce one. Getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Checkout 51, and 5 on Easy Bucks will make this a $2.03 moneymaker. I just wanted to mention that the Pen and Gear one subject college rule, it looks like college and wide rule are on rollback for 10 cents. I have so many of these from previous years, y'all. I'm gonna have to pass. But if it dropped to like 5 cents, I'm not gonna say I won't be able to pass them up because this is a good item to donate to the schools, you know? But I have a container full of them from like the last probably 3 or 4 years. And so definitely check your stores. So we have an offer on Ibotta for any Crayola. They have these for 50 cents. I was looking for the Pen and Gear brand, but I don't see any. All I see is Crayola. Grab the Crayola ones at 50 cents. I scanned it. It's working for the 15-cent offer, but there's also a 10-cent any. That's it's working for 2, so it would make it 25 cents. Now, if you can find the 25-cent Crayolas or the Pen and Gear brand, then it would make them free. So I'm gonna check the actual aisle and see if I get lucky over there. But definitely not a bad deal. You guys, I'm so excited. So many of you guys are winning on Ibotta. And so definitely don't forget to do it. I'm going to do it every single day at the same time and see how many times I can win or how much I can, I can earn. It does go all the way till November the 30th. And so definitely play it. Because you have nothing to lose, everything to gain. And with all these whack bonuses and whack deals, we might as well get a little bit extra money, without having to spend extra money. And so with that being said, everything that you see here retails $27.60. Now, I did grab the My Doll, y'all, anyways, because I was just like, look, we don't get deals on this. I don't see coupons for this. It's something I'm going to buy anyways. So to me, to get it for $2.62 was still a great deal. And so I went ahead and grabbed it. And plus, I got paid $20 from Ibotta for nothing anyway, so why not, right? And so everything you see here retails $27.60, getting back $23.35 from Ibotta. I am counting the bonus as well. Easy Bucks is $7 in review for 3 days. Checkout 51, $7. That went through. Flavor Wiki, $6 between my account and Joseph's. Westock is $1.88. Aisle, 94 cents. I'm getting back a total of $46.17. Makes everything you see here free, an $18.57 moneymaker. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Made it to the end. Let me see some stars.